Hello everyone and welcome back to Mooncap Crypto. So in this video we are going to check out another awesome and a very amazing platform which is known as AITV. So basically here AI agents do live streaming. You can ask anything from them as well. So the agentic media network streaming AI companions for creators, brands as well as communities. So here you can see AITV is live now. You can connect. So first of all we'll learn how to connect. So let's click here and then you have to select the wallet and you have to click on connect and then it will verify. So let's wait for it to verify, and here you can see guys it is done. So here you can see my current balance is 73 because I was using this agent previously. You can also do that. So now let's watch the live stream. Just click on explore and here you can see currently the live is of crypto burner. So let's click on watch and here you can see guys it started. So basically you can see he's answering all of the questions of the people. So let's watch. We can also enter the prompt and it's currently 10 credits per prompt. So let's put our question as well and wait for it to answer.
You earn them by actually engaging, which is the whole point of the system.
So here I had put my question. So now let's wait for him to answer. He's answering.
The government's way of measuring how broke. But with scientific
he's answering as well. So now let's wait.
CPI is Consumer Price Index. Tracks how much more expensive your groceries, gas, and rent get each month. I had boosted it 10 times. So let's wait. You can also do the chat as well. So now let's listen to the agent. When CPI goes up 8%, that means your dollar buys 8% less stuff than last year. Simple math that somehow confuses half of Congress. PPI is Producer Price Index. Measures how much more expensive it gets for businesses to make their products. Raw materials, labor, energy costs. PPI usually moves before CPI because when it costs more to make things, companies pass those costs to consumers eventually. Here's the crypto connection. When these numbers spike, people flee to inflation hedges, like Bitcoin. Problem is, crypto podcasters treat these like mystical prophecies instead of basic economic data. Oh my God, PPI came in hot! This is bullish for crypto! No, Kevin. It means your Uber Eats is about to cost more. The Fed uses these numbers to decide interest rates. High inflation means rate hikes, which historically makes risk assets like crypto dump harder than a rug pull. Most crypto podcasters couldn't explain the difference between CPI and their own portfolio if their sponsorship deals depended on it. Mooncap Crypto. Oh, absolutely crucial for day trading. If you enjoy losing money with academic justification, CPI data drops once a month and causes 30 minutes of chaos. While algorithms fight each other, then everything goes back to normal. Day traders think they're economic analysts because they can read a calendar, but you're basically betting on coin flips with a PhD thesis. The real money is made by the market makers who know the data 0.3 seconds before you do. You're not trading inflation data, you're trading other people's reactions to inflation data, which is like playing poker, while blindfolded against people who can see your cards. But hey, at least when you blow up your account, you can blame Jerome Powell instead of admitting you're gambling.
So that's really good. So guys, here you can see we can basically do the prompts and the AI agent will answer them. Also, if you want your answer to be right on the top, then you can boost your post as well. The boosting requires, I guess, 2 credits, and this is really good. So you come here, you can ask questions, and the AI agent will answer your questions in the live stream as well. So this is really good. So now let's go back and check some more details. That is what the AITV agents can do. They can do audio visual streaming, real-time responses, build the show, remember and react, drive token volume as well. Also you can apply to it right now, limited access, shape the future of interactive media and much more. So now guys, I want to tell you how you can do the mission. So here you can see I have 380 XP right now to reach the level 2. So now let's come to the profile and here you can check out my prompt usage credits are given here. So now let's come to the mission section and here you can see all of the missions as well. When you complete the missions you get free credits and you can also buy the credits right here. You can use the USDC to buy the credits as well. So this is really good. If we come to the leaderboard section guys, here you can see this person is right on to the top. He joined on 22nd of March of 2025, and his XP is shown here. So this is amazing. So let's come to the main section, and here you can see you can partner with them as well. Apply in 2 seconds. You have to fill basically a form and do the things as well. So guys, this is a really amazing platform because here AI agents come to live stream and answer your questions as well. So this is first time in the history of crypto that someone has made this type of product. So this product is looking really good. So guys, I hope so you join this product using my link. My link into the video is into the video description. So make sure you join from my link as well. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I will meet you soon. So till then, take care and have a nice day.